Welcome to Hands-On Auto Training. Here we have a 2015 Mazda CX5 with a 2.5 liter engine, intermittently setting multiple communication codes in multiple modules, along with PCM power relay codes. At times, when the key was in the off position, the throttle body and the cam solenoids would click until the battery would go completely dead. This was an intermittent problem, coming and going at times. At one point, the vehicle was running and we could not turn it off until the headlights were turned on. We also noted that one time when the key was in the off position and the headlights weren't turned to the on position, the solenoid started clicking. This was definitely making us think a ground issue. Notice the difference between pins 4 and 5 is about a volt and a half. I had a variance between 4 and 5 of 1.5 volts with the headlights off and 2.9 volts with the headlights on, so we knew we had a ground issue. The technician found a bad ground at G03 behind the left front headlight down on the lower left-hand body frame rail. This fixed the vehicle and it's on its way. Sorry I did not get a lot of footage on this one, guys.